How to fix Wise app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Wise app if it's not working. So there may be several reasons as to why your Wise app is not working. So the first and foremost reason may be your internet connection. So since Wise is an app that requires a stable internet connection to function, if you don't have a stable internet connection, sometimes the Wise app will not work. So first of all, make sure you check your internet connection and then maybe try switching from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data or from your mobile data to your Wi-Fi. Now, after that, go to your app store and then type in Wise. After that, open it and then make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now, sometimes if your app is not updated to the latest version, some features may be restricted, which may cause your app to not function properly. So make sure you have your app updated to the latest version. Now, if your problem is still there, what you can do is simply go to your settings, general, iPhone storage, and then search for the Wise app. Now offload the app and then reinstall it. Doing this, in most of the cases, your problem will be solved. But if your problem is still there, what you can do as a final resort is simply delete the app entirely from your phone, go to your Play Store or App Store, and then download the Wise app once again. So those are basically the ways on how you can fix your Wise app if it's not working properly. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.